Okay, I'm going to show you how to download pictures for your various class projects. In this class, I would like you to use Pix for Learning. So it's pix4learning.com. As you see, it's already come up in the very top there. I'm going to click enter. We're going to go to it. Once we get there, there are a couple of different ways you can search for images. One, you can search for something very specific in the search box. Say I want to type in green frog, click enter. Now it's going to come up with all these different pictures of green frogs, assuming that it has some. It may not have everything that you're looking for, especially if you're looking for something very specific. You may have to search around. It may have it, and it may just not be labeled correctly, or the way you would think it would be labeled. Next, back on the main screen, you could also choose one of the categories. For example, I'm going to click animals. And once again, let's look for a green frog. So a frog is an amphibian. So we're going to click amphibians. And oh, look, there's this one of the same images. There's a couple of the same images that were there before. So I'm going to click the green tree frog. This looks exactly like what I want. So there are a couple of different ways to download this image. First, you can click on it directly, click on the download this image button, and it downloads it to your default downloads folder on your computer. Second, you can right click on the image itself and then choose save image as, and then you can choose whatever folder you want to download it to that's on that computer. Now I'm going to click cancel because I've already saved this once in the default downloads folder. Now, there's also a link right here to save it to your Google Drive. Now you're going to have to be signed in to do this. But if I click save, it's going to come up right here and it's going to ask you, it says Pix for Learning would like to save an item to your Google Drive. And it's going to tell you where it's going to go. And you can change that. You can choose whatever folder you want it to in your Google Drive. But I'm just going to save it to the default. I'll click save and notice it is saving it to my Google Drive. And confirmation greentreefrog.jpg was saved to my drive. That's all there is to it. Save whatever images you need, and then you'll learn how to insert them into various programs later.